Hello everyone. I've been looking for doll stands, I guess that's what you call them, and I found a couple of matching ones, and I needed a couple for two dolls I've had since I was a little girl. And these were Precious Moments stands because it had the little heart built onto it and it said Precious Moments across there. And so I painted it with a chalk paint, a white chalk paint, and then I put I glued the little molds. Let's see if I can get it to look clear. I made a mold of that heart and glued to it. And then I made a mold of this lacy looking stuff and that little button, whatever it is. And I think I got the mold in the cake department at Walmart for cake decorating. And then I went back and put the glue all over everything and put more of the white paint, the chalk paint, and it crackled because of the glue on there. And I don't wait for the glue to even get tacky when I do it. It's just barely tacky because I'm impatient and don't wait long enough, but it worked. And so after that I went over it with a glaze that had some like brown paint in it, and it just filled in the cracks and all the grooves to make it look more aged. And so this is one of my dolls, but she's too short to fit in it, so I'll probably, tie her up there somehow. Yeah, I got a picture of me holding her and my cousin Robin holding one just like it that was hers, and we were 2 years old. And so I may raise this up and dangle some crystals or something and have her tied back since she's too short for it. I thought about cutting it, but then, that'd be hard to cut. I just didn't want to fool with all that. But this is my main one. That is a Silverbolt Brownie. And I've had him since, I guess I was about 7. And I wanted a good way to display them together. And if I raise this up, and put something up there, that'll make them match better. And, yeah, when I had him, Mama told me not to get my stuffed animals wet because I'd take them out to play in the baby carriages outside. And I took him outside, laid him down, and there was water in it, and I panicked and ran in crying and screaming and told Mom I'd killed Silverbolt Brownie. So there's a history with him. He was real in my eyes. And you can tell this one's had a rough life. Looks like Mama's had to sew on her neck. And where else? On her foot. And on her back. She's dirty. But I don't know how to clean them without destroying them, so I just leave them as they are. But anyway, I thought they turned out pretty. And now I have a matching set. I just got to put some felt on the bottom because I don't want it to, scratch up the furniture. So I'll have them in the bedroom somewhere displayed. But anyway, I wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot.